rewriting its future again. And this time, Ghana is leading the move. For decades, land ownership in Africa has been a battlefield of corruption, missing records, double sales, forged papers, and powerful elites grabbing land from ordinary people. But today, Ghana has taken a historic step. A fully digital, blockchain-backed land registry, a system that cannot be manipulated, falsified, or erased. This is not just technology. This is economic liberation. Because without secure land, Africans cannot farm confidently, build businesses, or pass generational wealth to their children. Ghana is saying, our land belongs to our people, not to corrupt systems. And when one African nation breaks free, it opens the door for all 54. This digital registry means opportunity, especially for the youth. More tech jobs, more surveyors, more developers, more cybersecurity experts. It means young Africans building mapping tools, AI-driven land verification apps, and digital property marketplaces that finally bring transparency to real estate. It also means faster land titles, easier mortgages, better city planning, and a booming construction sector. Imagine an Africa where every young entrepreneur can secure land in minutes, not years. Where local startups build the next Google Maps for Africa. Where innovation grows because ownership is protected. This registry is not only cleaning up corruption, it is building the digital Africa we have been waiting for. And yes, it scares many outsiders. Because a digitally empowered Africa cannot be controlled. For centuries, weak land systems made it easy for foreign corporations to exploit African soil, minerals, and resources. But a transparent land registry closes those doors. No more land theft, no more hidden deals, no more outsiders claiming African land through loopholes. Ghana is showing courage. The kind of courage that says, we decide who owns Africa, not them. This is the future of the continent. A future where every African child inherits land that is rightfully documented, protected, and theirs. If every African nation followed Ghana's step, corruption would collapse, investments would rise, Pan-African unity would strengthen, and Africa would finally own the land and the future. Join Black Empire.